In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files and photos to OneDrive. Let's get started by addressing the very first step. If you aren't already logged into your Microsoft account, you'll need to head over to Microsoft's login page. Enter your securely kept credentials to sign in, and if you're using a public computer, be sure to log out once you're finished. After you've logged in, you'll see the familiar Microsoft Home interface. Direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen where you'll find the App Launcher icon. Imagine a grid of small squares. When you click on this, a menu showcasing an assortment of Microsoft apps will appear. From this menu, you'll select OneDrive. Now, let's talk about OneDrive. This is Microsoft's cloud storage service, and it offers you a secure space to store your documents and photos. Once you open OneDrive, you're brought to your OneDrive root directory. This is where you'll want to navigate to My Files, which acts as the central hub of your OneDrive account. Within this area, all your folders and files are categorized to simplify organization. It's a fantastic idea to decide in advance which folder will house your new uploads. You might choose an existing folder or decide to create a new one. After determining your destination folder, go ahead and click on it to open it up. Think of this exploration as browsing through a digital filing cabinet. Moving ahead, you'll notice that the Pictures folder can be particularly useful if you're uploading images, though keep in mind that the steps are identical for any type of file. With the desired folder now open, cast your eye towards the top of the OneDrive interface and locate the Create and Upload icon. This icon is crucial as it serves as your gateway for transferring files from your device to the cloud. When you click on this icon, options will unfold before you. Spot the option labeled Files Upload and select it to begin the file selection process. Your computer's file browser will open next, enabling you to navigate through the files stored on your device. If you wish to upload more than one file, hold down the Control key while selecting the files you're interested in. Once you've made your selection, you'll see an option to click either Open or Done. Select one of these options to kickstart your upload. Quite conveniently, you'll receive a notification once your files or photos have been successfully uploaded to OneDrive. And just like that, you've secured your files in OneDrive, making them accessible anytime and anywhere, provided you have an internet connection. It's worth noting that OneDrive also offers additional security features such as file encryption and two-factor authentication, so consider enabling these for added peace of mind. Congratulations, you've just expanded your digital knowledge by learning how to upload files and photos to OneDrive.